Hello, hello. Good day, guys. For this video, we are going to do the Christmas event for this year. The event will run through December 13 up to January 3. So you still have a few days left to do the quest. This is going to be a yearly event. Uh, so today, I will show you how to get the reindeer and the Happy Holiday Party set. So first, the requirement is you need to be able to travel to Luna. So you need to be at least level 70. And the NPC giver is Eva. So choose the second option to start the quest. Now it will show that you need to collect multiple items from Mount Eureka mobs. So let's go to Luna. Now Mount Eureka is located at the northwest part of Yukar City. Just make sure that you bring Yuka return scroll so you can easily go back to town after the quest. So now let's go to Mount Yarek. Okay, now at Mount Yareka, you can kill any type of mobs and they will give uh, the quest items. But the easiest mobs to kill are the reindeers. So we will be focusing on them. You can join a party so that you can finish the quest faster. Okay, so now we're done with the first part of the quest. We are going back to Eva. So now the next part of the quest is deck the halls and we will go back to Mount Eureka. And just like the first part, you can get these four collect items on any maps on Mount Eureka. Oh, oh, I think I'm mistaken about the name of the mount. It's Mount Eruka. Okay, now we're back at Mount Eruka. We're going to start killing some reindeers again. And this time it may take a few minutes because we need to collect 100 tin cells, 50 mistletoes, 30 stars, and 30 bubbles. So just keep on killing mobs, and I will be skipping this part. Now we are almost done with the item quest. So the one that is left is the Slay Dust Trail, which we will get by traveling through the north part of this map. Let's go and get the last part. You need to travel all the way to the top of the map. So to get this item, make sure that you are not riding a mount or your cart. You will not be able to get this item if you are riding those. So just run towards the top, and there you can get the last item, and now we will be asked to go back to Eva. Use TP, and then we will go back to Junon. Now we submit Eva the quest, and he will give us the costume, the Happy Holiday costume. This costume is tradable but is account bound on equip, so it's up to you if you want to keep it, use it, or sell it to other players. But for now, I'll just keep it. And then we go to the next part of the quest, which you can get the reindeer mounts. To start the quest, we will go to the mayor, Darren. He will then ask us to collect a Goblin Confession Note from Goblin Cave by defeating any type of goblins. So to go to the Goblin Cave, you need to use the Adventurer's Plane return scroll. And Goblin Cave is located at the northeast part of the Adventurer's Plane. Now we're that inside the Goblin basement 1. We will go to this part where a lot of goblins spawn. So sometimes it will take time until the mob will drop this quest. So just keep on killing goblins until you get the item. We were lucky to get it easily. So we will be asked to go back to Darren, TP back to Junon. And now we will go back to Goblin Cave. We will be asked to free the reindeers. First, let's go back to Goblin Cave. Darren will give you the peppermint candy cane. Put it in your slot, skill slot, so you can easily use it. You will use this item to tame the reindeers that will spawn upon killing goblins again. So we will continue killing goblins until a reindeer will pop up and use this skill. Once the reindeer will appear, get close to it and use the peppermint candy cane. It will show on your quest that you have one reindeer with red exclamation point. You need to free 9 reindeers. But if you get a lot of reindeers, they will just go back. They will free themselves. So the best way is to get 3. So we will get 3 reindeers first. Reindeers. Let's go and kill more to find reindeers. Now the third reindeer. So we will now go outside of the dungeon to free them. We will let them escape. Okay, as you can see, now the reindeer now is green. It means it is safe. You need to do this 3 times so you can collect 9 reindeers. So let's go back and kill again goblins and get 3 more reindeers. And now that we have 3 enticed reindeer, we are going to the entrance again. So the 3 enticed reindeer will be added to the saved reindeer. So now you have 6. So go back again to the goblins and get another 3. to finish the quest. And now we are done with our last reindeers. So automatically the quest will be done and we will go back to Darren. So this is the last part, and we will be given the reindeer. You will use this and it will give random reindeer. So let's use it. Yes, we got the Cupid. So the reindeer mount has a level requirement of 70, the same as the quest requirement. And also this mount is account locked on use. So if you already have a different mount or you don't want to use it, well, you can just sell it to other players or just keep it to yourself. Okay, so that's it. That is how you do the Christmas event quest. I will be posting the forum link because Honeybuns also made a guide on the forums. I will be linking the quest guide on the forums in the video description. So I guess that's it. You still have a few more days left, so might as well do the quest and earn some cool mounts. That's it, and happy holidays to us. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.